it again. What you doing? You got Mr. Potato Head stuck in there? Who are you gonna make? Gonna make Nana?
Nana.
Pop Pop? You gonna make Pop Pop? What about Megan? What about Megan? Elgin, you gonna make Megan? Megan? Elgin, can you say Megan?
Megan.
Can you say Jeremy?
Jeremy.
Can you say Pop Pop?
Pop Pop.
Can you say Corey? Say Corey. Elgin, can you say Corey?
Corey.
Seth? Steven? Elgin, say Steven. Chase? Grammy? G-Pops? Papal?
What? Papa.
Papal? Say love you.
Papa.
Say love you lots. Love you lots. Say miss you. Miss you. You say bye.
Bye, Miko.
Who's your favorite person now? You like Mickey Mouse? You say Mickey Mouse? Say love you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you wave? Good boy.